Royce truck, Cullinan from out the gutter with it. 3 Cadillac trailing me, feel like the government. I'm really out here setting laws. When I'm for president, I'm always on my son's ass. Don't be no telltale, bosses coming back and forth. We had hell to mill, I don't want no shortcuts. Taking every step.
It's the last day with the G Wagon, guys. I never really loved this car. Like, it was cool, but it just wasn't worth what I paid. Like, it's a G Wagon with a really cool ass kit and interior done. So it's just not worth what I spent on it. Today, I'm pretty excited. I'm making a trade. I'm trading this car in for a Rolls Royce. Something a little more comfortable, something a little more classy, something with a little more like of a vibe. Like, this dude's a boss. He's a classy businessman, not like, you know, some kid with money that bought a douchebag vehicle. Look at that, Mansory Tesla.
That's a thing?
That thing's interesting.
That's crazy. I did not know that was a thing.
I would never buy that, but to each their own, man.
Have you even seen the Rolls yet in
Nope.
person?
I have not seen it in person. I have not driven it.
This is the most random Monday night, bro.
Yeah, bro, the shit you do on a Monday night. I had a good productive ass day though. I went to the gym, I sparred, I got a bunch of work done. And then I was like, all right, I'll end my Monday on a shebang. Start the week off right with a Rolls Royce. Bro, this thing's really sick. It has Tiffany blue interior, stars, wide body. It's so cool. And it has Vossen wheels. The wheels I just got on my Porsche. It has Vossen wheels.
So it's matched?
So I'm gonna thinking about wrapping the Porsche the same exact color so that they match. What's up, boss? I don't think I have anything left in here. Last goodbye. We need to check this bad boy out. It's right here. Where are you going?
Oh, this is. I thought we were going in the showroom.
This is it. This is it.
You didn't give any type of reaction at all, so I wasn't expecting it to be this car.
No, because it's just like whatever, bro. It's not like this is the 8th time I bought a car in the last year, so like
you should have given me a heads up.
The viewers probably don't care anymore. It's not another car added to the fleet. Like, I traded one in, and this car is actually less expensive than that one. So it's low-key like a downgrade, but in my eyes, it's an upgrade. Tiffany blue interior. Look at the wide body, bro. Look at the wheels. Like, the wheels match the Porsche wheels. So now I'm thinking like we match the Porsche in this and then sell all my other cars and I just have a 2-car boss fleet.
How are you going to match the Porsche and the Rolls? Like through color? Like you're going to match the Porsche to this or this to the Porsche?
The Porsche to this. I really like this gray. How do you open this shit? Ooh. Okay, so it doesn't have the presidential seats. I didn't know that. I thought it did, but that's okay. I don't really care. I'm not sitting in the... Well, I actually probably will sit in the back. I'll probably have Gabe, my security, drive me once in a while. Oh, look at the stars, bro. That's tough.
This looks sick.
Cup holders, stars. This thing's nice, bro. The interior is really pretty. It's really pretty. It's not girly, is it?
No, I don't
Tiffany
think so.
blue?
I never expected a blue out of you, but this looks sick.
Yeah, I've never been a blue guy my whole life. Everyone's favorite color is always blue. Never mind. Like, this is not really me, but like, bro, this is the perfect spec Cullinan. Like, you can't do better than this, bro. Wait, how do you do it?
How do you do what?
Watch. Oh, it closes on its own, baby. Wait. I think, no, it doesn't open on its own. But you can close it on its own from the inside too. Watch this.
There's like a button.
Yeah. I heard Poppy outside, and he got the double R, drop it outside. Check the weather and it's getting real, I'll be outside. I'ma drop this shit and have these pussies dropping like some...
Hey man, say man, look at it in the lighting. And the calipers match the interior, that's tough. What do y'all think? Comment down below, let me know. You guys think I should wrap the Porsche this color? I think the Porsche would look really good in this color, and then them together would be like a crazy duo. But let me know in the comments below, should I wrap the Porsche this like Nardo gray?
It's your lucky day, man. I mean, it's your fucking lucky day. You just bought that bitch for $500,000. Don't tell me wrong. How much did you get for it? $250?
Something like that.
Car, bro.
I appreciate
You want to rent it?
No.
We were the first rental camera house in Miami. Roll one, take one, mark. All right, quiet on the set, please. Blah, blah, blah. Ready and action. Cut. That's enough. Ready? This show is it? No.
No more?
No. I need to talk to you. I don't want to. You want to put it in Miami Vice? Yes or no? Do you want to see this in the airways with you in it?
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna put this shit in Miami Vice. Let's see.
Right.
Maybe,
All right.
maybe not. I don't know.
All right, we'll see you, Tommy Barone. will.
Oh, and you're driving.
I am.
Can I look inside at least?
Yeah. Take a peek.
Come on, man. Let me get a picture of you in this. So
Yeah.
I have my shit.
Let's take a selfie.
Well, let me get there. Hold on.
All right. Come on around.
Guy. Wait, come here, man. What's up?
Yeah, get Josh in
I
it.
mean, what's your name, sir? What's your name?
Josh.
Josh.
Josh what?
Josh Valerian.
Film-
I'm
Filming the
sorry,
filmer.
wait.
Filming
And
the
3,
filmer.
2, 1.
Action.
Wait. That's how you do shit right there. Come on, that's how I learned it in film school from University of Miami.
sir.
Josh, what's up, bro? About to fucking blow the fuck up, that's for sure.
You're gonna get me famous?
I think you're.
No worries, bro.
God bless, bro.
Here, let me-
God's plan. God's plan. I gotta do some business. I'll give you $500 in a minute. Hold on. Ready? Follow. Now get your phone out and follow me and make it
Where
real.
is my phone?
Well, I'm not leaving until your phone's here.
All right. You know TJR?
Brez. What's up, Brez?
TJR.
You got 22 posts, you got 1.2 followers, and you got...
Yeah, I only have 1.2
Okay, so
followers.
you guess what? You're gonna follow one more person. Because you have
All right.
1,045
Oh, my phone is dead. Dead ass. I'm
No,
not even
bullshit.
trolling.
I'm gonna
I'm not
fucking
even
turn your
trolling.
phone
I
on.
swear
I
to
don't
God.
care, bro.
I swear to God, my
Listen
phone is
to me.
dead.
I'll give you a charger.
Bro,
I do not believe
My
you. Plug
phone
it
is
in.
dead.
Watch, I'm gonna make them follow me because there's stars in the sky. Look at the stars up here.
All
Look
right,
at
all
the
right.
fucking sky.
I need to start the car so it charges it.
I'm not going anywhere until
I know.
Give it a
turning
minute.
on.
Let's talk.
It's turning on.
name the actor. Ready? Go.
No clue. Tommy Barone.
Perfect. Al Pacino.
Al Pacino.
All right. You're 0 for 1, man.
All right.
Whatever. These are pictures, but who's that, bro?
That's I know him, bro.
I gotta go.
All right, see ya.
Jim Carrey.
Jim Carrey. Yep.
Oh, fuck that
That's
guy.
Diddy. That was
Wait, you got
Diddy,
some
man. That was Diddy. What the fuck?
That is fucking DJ
DJ
Khaled.
Khaled. I knew
He
that
the
one.
best.
I knew that one.
We'll talk, man.
All
Good.
right, sounds good. Great
Lock
to meet
your
you, Tommy
doors.
Barone.
Send me a clip of that.
We will. What the fuck was that side quest, bro? Holy shit, that was an unskippable cutscene. That shit was actually unskippable too. I couldn't get away from bro.
No.
Oh my gosh.
My fault. I should have never given you your phone.
No. Bro. I don't know what. That's the shit that you run into in Miami, bro. That's literally the shit that happens. You just run into the most unskippable cutscenes. It always happens to me, like the most unskippable shit ever. I didn't feel safe, bro. I was
know.
like, he started the conversation with, "You're in one of the most unsafe areas in Miami." Like, okay, yeah, that's what my gun is for. But what are you about to try to do to me? Like,
Yeah,
the
that was
fuck?
crazy.
Stars on the roof of the phantom. Quit 20 bands on a red on. Left from the red, no, they can't come. Pop out on the boys, I'm a soldier. I'm pouring up for dying sober.
McDonald's time. What do you want?
Diet Coke.
That's it? No
Yeah.
food?
Nah.
Man, making me feel like a fat ass and shit. Shit, bro.
How you doing? Can I help you?
I'm great. How are you doing?
I'm fine, my friend. Thank you so much.
Perfect. Can I get a number 7, please?
Medium or large? What kind of drink? What kind of sauce?
Medium with sweet and sour and a Diet Coke. And then could I also get another Diet Coke? Thank you. Thank you. The Epstein theory
Something
is that
along
there's
those
humans in this meat.
lines. Well, I don't know about chicken nuggets.
Well, guess what? It tastes good. I don't give a shit what's in it. We gotta get in the back seat, right? We're in a Cullinan. I have to, bro. I have
Bro.
to. Is that doing too much?
How was your trip to the Keys?
My trip to the Keys was good. We've been so locked in, bro. So focused on business the past like 2 months. The only times I've left the house is to go to the gym and then to film a vlog. Like, other than that, I literally have not left the house. We've just been working every day. I've been in the gym working my ass off every day. Like, I had the boot camp last week. You guys have heard me talking about this over the last like month and a half, how I had that boot camp. We did it. It went insanely well. The results people are already seeing from it were insane. And so after that boot camp, I did a total streaming of probably like 25 hours that week. I was like, bro, I need like a little breather. Like, I need a day where I just shut my laptop and don't work. Like, I need just a little mental reset. So we went to the Keys, me, Fredo, Mason, and Pierre. We got this little house on the beach and literally just bummed around the whole Saturday. We went Friday night after I finished the boot camp stream. We just sat on the beach. I ended up opening my laptop and still doing some work, even though that was the whole point, was not to. But It was super nice, bro. Good to get a little reset. Good to just spend time with, like, good people, like my day one homies. We all realized, too, on that trip, we were like, we need to do shit like this more often. It's wholesome. It's, like, healthy. We don't really go to the club much, but even when we do once in a while, like, why go to the club? Like, when we could spend our money going on like a nice wholesome trip, make more memories doing that than like going to the fucking club and blowing money. In these past couple months especially, I'm really starting to understand myself better, what I like doing, what I don't like doing, what I like enjoy spending my time doing. Throughout like the past couple of years, life has been moving at such a rapid pace, it's hard to like slow down and just like be in my own thoughts. Work is so much, there's so much going on, life is so much. It's everything I've ever asked for, and I wouldn't trade it for anything, but sometimes it's hard to like sit back and look at it from a third person perspective and be like, damn, I'm moving too fast. Like I need to slow down and like take a breath. And it's just felt really, really good to like be living that healthier lifestyle. That was a really long answer to your question, how was the keys? But I got a lot to say back here.
They'd say business has been doing good.
No, business has been great, bro. Like last week, the boot camp, it was a lot of fun. I'm honestly kind of sad it's over. People loved it. I gave away a Rolex to a kid. I gave away a bunch of MacBooks. I picked a bunch of people to come to Miami, and we're doing a dinner, I think, in March. We're still selecting a date for it. But it was really cool, bro. Business is good. We're working on a lot of stuff right now. We're going to go back to, like, square one and rebuild a bunch of shit. So kind of like trenching season. But, yeah, it's been good.
All right, you got the car? Let's see. Hey. Oh my god.
Bro, it's hard.
That has insane presence, bro.
It does. Wait, watch this. Watch
This thing is massive. Like,
It's a boat, bro.
it's huge.
It's a whole ass boat. Watch this. Watch this.
Dude, the wheels are insanely big.
This is the best part.
Oh. It's like paint match too. Is that factory?
Yeah, it's factory paint.
That's hard as fuck. And wide bodied.
And blue
And the
goods.
Tiffany.
Bro, it doesn't have. I thought it has the presidential seats. It doesn't.
What does that mean? Just like the.
Like the two seats, but it's
Does it have an
three.
umbrella?
Yeah.
What is
In this door.
Damn, I've never even been inside a Cullinan.
Bro, it's really nice. It drives so nice. You gotta drive it.
This shit's premium as fuck.
Isn't that seat comfy as hell?
Yeah, it is.
It just feels like you're
Bro, this thing
floating
is
too.
massive.
It is, bro. It's like a boat.
Oh, and the stars. Oh my god. Cullinan's dead ass like final boss
That's
car.
what I was saying is I'm about to sell my other cars and just keep the Porsche and the Cullinan. That's like final boss cars.
That's literally, I think, 6 months ago. I was like, bro, my dream car setup is a Cullinan and a GT3 RS. That's like literally the perfect car setup.
All right, boys. That's a wrap on the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, turn post notifications on. Comment down below. Leave a like. Subscribe to my second channel where I talk more about business. We're about to hit 100K on there, so please go subscribe. We're like 4K subs away. Royce Press. Link is in the description. All my other socials linked in the description. I'll catch y'all in the next video.
Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone, what numbers do I still have? Who do I know?